Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I am going to share with you another ice cream recipe called mango ice cream. So in this we will be using two main ingredients, which is the cream and nicely ripened sweet mangoes. So without wasting any time, let's proceed towards the recipe. Now here for the mango syrup I am going to use some mango juice. This is like completely pure mango juice which doesn't have sugar content involved in it. So I've taken nearly 2 cups of it. And now keeping it on medium heat, I've taken nearly 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, added a little bit of water to it, and then added to the juice. Now by adding it, I'm going to stir it nicely and then bring it to a boil and then cook it on low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes until the entire syrup turns nice and thick. This syrup can be a good addition for adding into the ice cream in between layers. That is one of the best things you can do. Try using mango juice which doesn't have too much granulated sugar content in it, because that is very important so that the syrup doesn't crystallize. Now here I have taken 2 medium size ripe mango. Now this mango is extremely ripe, very sweet. So make sure when you're using mango, they should be very sweet. So this is the kind of blending I've done. So it's nice and smooth here. So I'm going to add 2 cups of whipping cream or thick cream. And then I'm going to add nearly 4 tablespoons of icing sugar to it. And then I will start whipping this cream. Just keep it steady on the speed level, like around medium to low. And then let the consistency of the cream turn thicker. So this is how thick our cream should be. And now I'm adding the mango pulp. Now again mixing it. Just do that for only a minute. Now adding more authentic color to it, the syrup which I had made, I'll be adding that. Or you can even use some vegetarian food coloring to it. Now I added some dry fruits to it, adding it to an icing tray, drizzling some of the syrup on top. Now after this, again adding the remaining mango cream on it, and then drizzling the syrup again on the top with the dry fruits. So what I noticed was that it is better to add the syrup only in the first layer instead of on the top. The reason is because the syrup tends to get crystallized because the freezer directly hits on it. Now covered this cream with the saran wrap and kept it in the freezer for around 3 to 4 hours. And this is how the ice cream is done. Scooping it out like this. Nice creamy texture of the ice cream. And then I sprinkle some dry fruits on top of it. Placed a tulsi leaf and offered it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.